Hello everybody, 'tis I, the Rumpled One. I'm in town here, and something you don't see every day. A horse in the garage. I just thought I'd have to take a picture of it. You just never know what you're going to see here. The horse has an ocean view. Gonna ride him on the beach?
Huh?
You gonna ride him on the beach?
I'll probably later.
Yeah?
So I just brought her into town today.
Oh.
So I've got her in town for the 4th of July parade.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she's my lawnmower.
1 horsepower.
What's that?
1 horsepower lawnmower?
Yeah. 1 horse.
Well, anyway, might as well take a little walk here. Yeah, Mayberry's a nice little town here. Just so you know, it's not really Mayberry. That's just what I like to call it. I was watching East Tennessee Prepper. Once again, he was talking about he doesn't really like mixing politics and prepping, but I still think that's part of the problem. You gotta mix them. You gotta get this country having these political discussions, getting people involved so they're paying attention. Most people, I don't think, really are paying attention to what's going on. They may gripe about the news or gripe about prices, but then they just do what they do and they're not involved, and well, that's why things are the way they are. But enough of that for now. Let's just enjoy the view. I think I've come here before. You've probably seen this view. Anybody know the name of that rock? Oh, look at those waves. Somebody asked if I could put a sponge or something over the microphone, might cut down the wind. I might have to try that. Looks like there's a lot of driftwood up there on the South Jetty. You can't really tell in this video, but there's a lot of birds on the rock over there, that big rock to the left. I can see if I can get it right in the center of the camera there. In fact, one of the universities had some people out here studying the birds. In fact, my neighbor also does bird counts. He worked for the state. He's retired now, but he still does some, I guess, some odd jobs, contract work. Yeah, 4th of July coming up. My least favorite of the holidays. Because we're no longer, we've never really been the land of the free, but now we're land of the freeloader. But that's, yeah, there I go again, ruining the view. I guess that's why people don't like talking about politics. It kind of spoils the atmosphere. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the waves or not. But you're probably wondering, it's like, hey, you've been away from the ranch a lot this week. You getting anything done? Well, yeah, getting a few things done. I guess I'll have to update you, do another chores video. And seagulls squawking. Well, I guess I'll just sign off here.